अस्सलाम वालेकुम लिस्टनर्स, किड्स क्विज के 4th एपिसोड के साथ मैं मौजूद हूँ। मेरे साथ मौजूद हैं इस वक्त हमारे स्टूडियोज में मरियम करीम, इब्राहिम करीम और हानिया उस्मान। जी मरियम, कौन सी क्लास में हैं आप?
5.
इब्राहिम, आप कौन सी क्लास में पढ़ते हैं? क्लास 6?
Yeah.
ओके। हानिया उस्मान, हानिया उसामा 7th। ओके, चले हम आपसे अब सबसे पहले राउंड 1 शुरू कर रहे हैं। राउंड 1 के क्वेश्चंस हैं, तो आप लोग मुझे जवाब दीजिएगा, अच्छी तरह से सुन लीजिएगा। फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन राउंड 1 का, which Kafir king was killed by a lame mosquito?
Nimrud.
At what age did Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam die?
63.
Where were the first ayat revealed to Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam?
Hira.
What is the first month of Islamic calendar? Believing in Allah, in his angel, in his books, in his messengers, in the last day, in destiny, and in life after death means a Muslim has?
Iman.
What is one unit of prayer called?
Raka.
Great. फर्स्ट राउंड हो गया। अब हम सेकंड राउंड की तरफ मूव करेंगे, जिसमें आप लोग मुझे एक एक करके बताएं कि आपका क्या टॉपिक है और उस पे जो आपकी स्पीच है वो प्लीज दीजिए। यस इब्राहिम, इब्राहिम आपका क्या टॉपिक था?
We revealed book.
राइट इब्राहिम, टॉपिक आपका
Reveal books by Allah.
प्लीज उस पे आप शुरू अपना जो आपकी जो स्पीच है वो प्लीज स्टार्ट कीजिए।
Allah has revealed many books, Sahifa and books to teach to teach Islam to Muslims or people. Many Sahifa are revealed to Prophet Ibrahim and Shia alayhi salam. There are four books revealed by Allah, which are Torah to Prophet Musa alayhi salam, Zabur to Dawood alayhi salam, Injil to Prophet Isa alayhi salam, and Quran to Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam. All the books taught that.
Okay, Ibrahim, it's okay. Okay, Ibrahim, thank you. Right, हानिया, हानिया आपकी क्या स्पीच है?
काबा के ऊपर।
अच्छा, ओके, प्लीज स्टार्ट कीजिए। आपको 1 मिनट में दे सकती हूँ, टाइम हमारे पास बहुत कम है।
In the name of Allah, the most beneficent, the most merciful. Assalamu alaikum, my name is Hania Osama. I will talk about Kaaba. In Arabic, Kaaba means a cube. Kaaba is a small shrine located near the center of Masjid al-Haram in Makkah and considered to be the most sacred spot on earth by Muslims everywhere. Muslims pray 5 times toward Kaaba. Muslim who wants to perform tawaf have to walk around the Kaaba 7 times. It is a mandatory step to do tawaf in performing Umrah and Hajj. It was believed that Kaaba was built by Prophet Adam alayhi salam and it was rebuilt by Prophet Ibrahim alayhi salam and his son Prophet Ismail alayhi salam. Kiswa is the black cloth which covers the Kaaba. It is draped annually on the 9th day of Zil Hijjah, the day pilgrims leave for plains of Mount Arafat during the Hajj. The black stone, also known as Hajar Aswad, is a rock set into the eastern corner of the Kaaba. The black stone was set into the Kaaba's wall by the Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam. Hijra Ismail, also known as Hatim, is a low wall originally part of the Kaaba. It is a crescent-shaped area immediately beside the Kaaba. Muslims pray inside the Hatim, and it is as just like praying inside the Kaaba. The Kaaba is the holiest site of Islam and is called Baytullah. Thank you.
थैंक यू सो मच, थैंक यू हानिया, ग्रेट जी। अब हमारे पास है मरियम करीम। मरियम करीम, आपका क्या टॉपिक था?
Masjid al-Aqsa.
ओके, प्लीज स्टार्ट।
Brief history is that Al-Masjid al-Aqsa was built by Adam alayhi salam or by Ibrahim alayhi salam. Then it was expanded by the Prophet Ishaq, Yaqub, Yusuf, Dawood and Sulaiman alayhi salam. It is also said that most of the work was done by Sulaiman alayhi salam. Many times in the history it was destroyed, and it was rebuilt by our Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alayhi wasallam's companion Umar bin al-Khattab radiyallahu anhu. Importance of Masjid al-Aqsa is that our Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alayhi wasallam went from al-Masjid al-Haram to al-Masjid al-Aqsa, which is called Isra. Then he went from al-Aqsa Mosque to the heavens, which is called Mi'raj. Some people say that our Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alayhi wasallam went from the top of the rock, which is nowadays called the Dome of Rock, to the heavens. Up until the second Hijri, the Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alayhi wasallam faced al-Aqsa Mosque for prayers. Therefore, it is known as al-Qibla al-Awwal.
ग्रेट ग्रेट मरियम, थैंक यू। चलिए अब हम राउंड 3 की तरफ मूव करते हैं। राउंड 3 में मैं बस आपको एक वर्ड दूंगी जिसपे आपके जहन में जो भी आता है वो आपने मुझसे कहना है, ठीक है? कार्टून्स, कार्टून्स।
Animated.
जूस,
A juice, a drink.
स्वीट्स,
Snickers,
Good.
क्लासरूम,
Study.
student,
बुक्स,
Reading.
knowledge,
क्लोथ्स,
Wearing.
अफ्तार,
Eating. Eating.
Kore,
फादर, फादर, पापा।
Our dad. Dad.
ग्रेट, थैंक यू सो मच मरियम। और हमारे साथ मरियम थी, मरियम करीम, इब्राहिम करीम और हानिया उसामा। आप सबका बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया, थैंक यू सो मच। बहुत अच्छा लगा, आप लोगों ने बहुत अच्छी तरीके से पार्टिसिपेट किया। थैंक यू सो मच। ख्याल रखिएगा अपना बहुत सारा। बाय बाय।
Allah Hafiz.